Hello friends, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope things are going well. Welcome to another discussion of Commodity Market Daily with SD. And I'm SD Shanand Udash. I'm a multi-asset trading and investment specialist. So ये जो वीडियो है, I post this regularly where I take a look at commodity market situation via my fountain of gold setup. So this is more like a technical discussion, technical analysis discussion rather than macro fundamental. अगर macro fundamental, if you're interested, I hope you have taken a look at my weekend video जो मैंने डाला था, और अगर आप वो देखे हैं, then you know a major mega event is coming up for commodities. So you'll have to be careful till the major event comes up on Wednesday. So I don't expect a major movement, any trend changing movement before the Wednesday event. It's possible जो trend चल रहा था वही continue हो, और हम लोग सही दिशा में, with those who are रेगुलर वॉचर्स, अब जानते हैं हम लोग सही दिशा में ट्रेड किए हैं. वी हैव टेकन पोजीशन इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. सो ब्रॉडली मार्केट हैज रिवॉर्डेड अस. तो चलिए चालू करते हैं. इसको एनालिसिस करने के लिए मुझे बनाना होगा फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड, विच आई कैन क्रिएट बाय गोइंग इनटू इंडिकेटर्स. इसके बाद इनवाइट ओनली, then SD Rainbow Wave version 1 and SD RSI X. I have already applied them. Let me unhide. And this is SD Rainbow Wave version 1. तो उस वर्जन के अंदर मुझे कमोडिटी सेटअप सिलेक्ट करना है, सिंस आई विल बी डूइंग कमोडिटीज. फर्स्ट जिसके ऊपर मैं नजर रख रहा हूं, दिस इज नॉट द वीकली चार्ट, लेट्स लुक एट थ्रू द डेली चार्ट. इट इज द ग्लोबल कमोडिटीज सिंगल 24 commodities representer. This is global GSCI and it is clear downtrend, और नीचे का मीटर में दिखा जा रहा है कि all the commodities are in a broadly falling mode. None of are in a neutral mode. The only one which is relatively stronger is the gold, जिसका it's in a neutral score but it's falling. The trend is falling. तो यहाँ पे let's look at, so commodities broadly what I see is falling. Let's look at the base metal as a whole. Base metal as a whole in decline. हम लोग short है base metal में, if you are aware. Let's look at the agriculture broadly weak है, but it's better than the other जो commodities and metals, उसके comparison में better perform किया है. But agriculture is a sell as well. Sell signal, majority of the factors, 11 out of 12 factors are bearish at the moment. So both commodities broadly are not on the bull side, it's more on the bearish side. Next हम लोग देखेंगे MCX का Bulldex. Largely we don't trade this, but these are available instruments. This is Bulldex. This is a correction we can see in the Bulldex. Let's look at the Metal Dex. इसमें liquidity नहीं है, but हम लोग trend समझ सकते हैं जरूर. Looking at the even closing price के हिसाब से it's bearish. Rather जहां liquidity है वो है exact metals में, that is copper has been bearish. हम लोग short position maintain करेंगे copper में. Still no exit signal, अभी तक कोई भी exit signal नहीं आया था. एक कैंडल लेंथ छोटा हुआ दिखाया था, मोमेंटम लॉस, स्टिल नो प्राइस एक्शन और मोमेंटम वाइज एग्जिट हैज कम. इट इज लुकिंग लाइक अ फर्दर डीपर डिक्लाइन में है ये कॉपर. सो नो प्लान, नो थिंग टू डू एनी काइंड ऑफ बुलिश ट्रेड एट द मोमेंट. I'll prefer to maintain the short positions. Same I'll prefer to maintain on the aluminum. I'm aware of the levels, but as long as bearish, there has been no exit signal from aluminum as well. Let's look at zinc. Zinc has been further bearish. जो हम लोग बोल रहे थे zinc can break down, and that is looks like zinc is under pressure. Remain कर रहा है. It is better position में score wise बाकी metal से, because long term trend is still bullish in zinc. Whereas zinc can still consolidate with consolidation chance about 57%, but broadly bearish, मतलब bearish range market में ये. And preferred trade in bearish range market में होता है sell resistance. I don't know if अगर आप लोग देख पा रहे हैं टेबल, if नहीं let me make it large ताकि आप लोग देख पाए. So this is now the table is relatively larger, so you'll be very clearly able to see the scores. तो ये रहा. नेक्स्ट लेड में ज्यादा कुछ करना नहीं है. इट इज कंसोलिडेटिंग, थोड़ा स्ट्रेंथ दिखा रहा है, बिकॉज इट इज अपना जो डाउन लेवल था उसको टच किया है, नाउ इट इज हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द रेजिस्टेंस which is around 188. So I think lead, unless this is significantly closing above 188, there is a possibility lead is going to range within 180 on the lower side and 188 on the upper side, with middle range between 184. So इसके आसपास I expect the lead to, or lead में कुछ करने का, though I have a buy signal and it has gone up, I'll prefer to stay away from lead. Nickel, we do not do any kind of trading. Then let's look at the international picture. International my gold. International gold looks still not strong enough. In fact, bearish. एक important support level के पास है, जहां से correction आ रहा है. Trend is short term. Trend is more of a neutral. देखा जाए तो 5 और 6 factor है bearish, 4 factor bullish. So gold is more of a mixed market. And once we start a move below 2362 to 2344, means 50 एक बार टूट गया, we are likely to see much bigger decline in gold towards $2,300 per troy ounce. So ये रहा सिनारियो. गोल्ड में अभी तक बुलिश होने का कोई रीजन बना नहीं. बुलिश होने के लिए we'll have to place, all we have to do, रेनबो बाय सिग्नल. अभी सेल सिग्नल प्रिवेलेंट है, so majority first I need a buy signal. और सेल का इमीडिएटली गोल्ड को एटलीस्ट नहीं सोच रहे. लेट्स दीज ब्रेकडाउन्स हैपन एंड स्पेशली इवेंट आ रहा है, पॉसिबली इवेंट को लेके we'll have either breakdown or a bounce back. Silver is significantly much bearish than gold. Silver में short position was very welcome. Silver has gone down significantly. Important level के आसपास now अब consolidate कर रहा है. It will possibly go up till the major event, and silver is prone to bigger decline. Major resistance जो है silver का is 29.3. Then we have 28.4. ये two resistance अगर silver could not break, silver और ज्यादा गिर सकता है towards this flat line. ये जो flat line दिख रहा है, इस flat line की तरफ गिर सकता है. Sorry, ये जो लाइन है इसके पास और ये जो लाइन है, these two flat lines. Now silver इसके बीच में gradually decrease करते हुए it can reach up to $26. So further decline very much possible in silver. Let's look at international. में हम लोग इंडियन भी देखेंगे, but let's look at the international picture first. This is the crude oil international and it's going down significantly. Very likely अब resistance बन चुका है 78.3. very likely crude is going to decline towards this major support level. इसके अलावा crude is I think $75 जो है वो एक important psychological level का काम करेगा. Otherwise crude is very likely heading towards 74 area, around 74 to $75 area. Let's look at now the Indian picture. MCX एनर्जी में क्रूड ऑयल देख रहे हैं हम लोग, और नेचुरल गैस भी. नेचुरल गैस में we are finally seeing some correction. Indian crude oil is bearish. Major resistance जो बनेगा that is 6460. ये major resistance है. I think crude can go for a much bigger decline towards 6000 area. अभी तक bullish होने का कोई reason है नहीं towards crude oil. Rather natural gas अगर हम लोग देखेंगे, यहाँ पे exit आ रहा है natural gas में. Let's look at the international natural gas एक बार. Both contracts अभी expiry is closed, so both the contracts हम लोग देखेंगे natural gas में. No, ये not yet a signal here, but I think let's look at the next contract. It has gone significantly fallen. No, yet not any signal has come कि exit करो, but looking at the consolidation probability going up, I think natural gas can go for a consolidation at this. Now it has gone for a strong down move, but अभी तक bearish है. हम लोग सौदा मेंटेन करेंगे bearish की तरफ. Stop losses are quite clear, तो stop loss के साथ bearish के साइड ही मेंटेन करेंगे. fresh 12-week low on output. Output steadily ऊपर जा रहा है US में. Production has gone up. So natural gas, despite the looking at the price wise up move, this is a very marginal, not much change wise. This is more contract adjustment की वजह से ये moves दिख रहा है. So it broadly remains bearish. Natural gas not at all bullish के बारे में हम लोग अभी भी नहीं सोच पा रहे. But consolidation probability ऊपर जा चुका है. So natural gas can form some kind of base around this or start to hold. Actually थोड़ा consolidation में जाने का risk है. This is a stock HAS. I'll come to it later on. So this is crude oil we have taken a look at, natural gas we have taken a look at. Now we'll take a look at M6 का precious metal. M6 का precious metal में gold meaning, which is obviously bearish. India ज़्यादा क्योंकि duty cut हुआ है, so chart wise India will be bearish, but एक correction, marginal correction दिख रहा है in the Indian gold. Naturally because US gold एक important level से ऊपर गया, so Indian gold में भी naturally एक correction और ये भी एक important level reach हो चुका है flat zone का. So इस correction के बाद Fed के बाद क्या होता है gold में further decline और silver भी similarly बहुत important zone reach कर चुका है. तो इंडिया में silver में भी Fed से पहले profit book कर लेना सही होगा and with the breakdown we will be able to short again. So here are overall picture of the commodities. I hope this discussion was helpful to you all. Agar help hua, don't forget to like and subscribe. All the best from my side as always. Happy trading.